Hello guys, how you all doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. If this is your first time of seeing my face, hi, my name is Etiosa. You are highly welcome to my YouTube channel, and please do not forget to support me by hitting the red subscribe button down below. And if you do, don't forget to turn on your notification button so you will be notified whenever I'll be dropping a new video. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. May God bless you all and continue to guide you guys. So guys, in today's video I'll be talking about Dr. Rachel face kit, which I have here with me. I have everything here with me, everything from A to Z. It's not finished though, I still have a lot. So I did review about this face cream few weeks ago, about these two face cream, when I talked about the difference between the fake and the original. So if you haven't watched that video, please try your best to check out the video so that if you are buying it outside, you'll be able to spot the difference between the fake and the original. Okay, and both are sold in the same price, so that's the tricky part about it. So be very careful. So this is the Dr. Rachel face cream. Okay, so this is the original, this is the fake. I won't be talking about that because I've already done that video, so you guys will have to check out the video so you will know what I talked about. So now the first product I'll be talking about is Dr. Rachel vitamin C face cream. So this is a very good brightening face cream that helps with wrinkles, it helps with fine lines, it moisturizes the skin and improve fine lines and dull skin. It's very good when it comes to moisturizing the skin. It will hydrate your skin, and it will help with dull skin. It will help revive your skin. It will help blend your skin, give you a very healthy glow. Okay, so if you're looking for a very good face cream that you want to use, get this face cream. It's very good, and it contains a lot of beautiful ingredients as well. So this is Dr. Rachel face cream. So the next product I'll be talking about is Dr. Rachel vitamin C brightening and anti-aging facial cleanser. So this is how it looks like. I know many of us don't know that Dr. Rachel also have face cleanser. So this is the face cleanser. Okay, this helps with dull skin, it helps with fine lines, it helps with discoloration and melasma and pigmentation. So if you are looking for a very good face cleanser, get this face cleanser, and it's very much available and it's very affordable as well. So this is a very good face cleanser that I would recommend for you guys. And then the next product I'll be talking about is Dr. Rachel vitamin C brightening and anti-aging face serum. It contains hyaluronic acid as well. Anti-aging, brighten, firming, repair, protect, improve skin elasticity. That is what is written here. And I'm using this particular face serum currently. I've been using it for the past 2-3 weeks now, and I still have a little. Okay, so it's very good. What I've noticed is I started using it is the fact that it helped my skin to glow, and I can use it morning and night. Okay, and I can also use it when going out under the sun. Okay, it's very good. You guys know that vitamin C is good during the day. Okay, so this is the face serum. This is vitamin C face serum. So if you are looking for a very good vitamin C face serum that you want to use on your skin, get this particular one. It's very good. It will help with blackhead and whitehead. Very good, very good. Okay, this is what I use at the moment. What I've noticed is I've been using it is the fact that it glows my skin and it helps my skin to have this silky look. Okay, so if you want to have a very good skin, you are looking for a very good vitamin C face serum that you can use, get this vitamin C face serum. It's very good. And the next one I'll be talking about is Dr. Rachel vitamin C brightening anti-aging whitening soap. Deep cleansing and even skin tone. Okay, reduce melasma, wrinkles and dark spots. So if you are looking for a very good face soap, get this soap. It's very good for the face. It will help with dark spots. It's written here, and that's what it does. It will help with dark spots, it will help with melasma, it will help with pigmentation, and it will brighten your skin at the same time. It's very good. And if you are using all of these products, you guys should know that it's all natural. They don't contain hydroquinone, mercury or whatever. It's so natural, and that is one of the reasons why I love the product. And it's something you can continue using as long as you want to. Okay, you can use it for a year, 2 years, 3 years, and it will still keep on doing the work. Okay, that's the beautiful part about this product, and it's very, very safe for the skin. It can help brighten your skin, no whiten. No, it can help brighten your skin, can help rejuvenate your skin, it can help moisturize your skin, and also give you a very beautiful, healthy skin. And that's what we all want. Majority of us want a healthy looking skin, not a white kind of thing. But this product is so good and very, very much affordable. So this is the face soap, all right, and you can also use this on your body if you want to. Okay, it's very, very good, and it's big, not that big, but it worth the money. And then the last one I'll be talking about is vitamin C anti-aging eye serum, and this is one of the things that a lot of us want. For those of you that have for those of you that have dark eye circle, this is the remedy for it. Honestly, this will help with dark under eye, to help with puffiness. Like for those of you guys that have this eye bag, it will help with eye bag. Very, very good. And another thing that I will talk about this lotion is the fact that it also helps with wrinkles. For those of you that have wrinkles under your eye, it will work, it will help for that. Okay, so this is very, very good, and it contains hyaluronic acid, contains collagen. Okay, very, very good for puffiness, and it's good for dark under. If you have dark eye circle, just get this and this other one. I bet you will not regret it. Okay, let me quickly read out what is written here. Vitamin C brightening and anti-aging eye serum, contains hyaluronic acid and collagen. 24-hour hydration, brightening dark eye circle, plump and remove puffiness, reduce appearance of wrinkles. This is really, really nice, guys. So if you are looking for a very good face kit product you want to use, get all of this. They are all affordable. If you are buying all of this, you will not spend up to 20k. No, you won't spend up to 20k. So see, imagine getting all of this. Oh my god. Imagine getting all of this product for like 18,000 naira. All of this product that will last you for like 2 months or even more. See now, and you are getting this one you are seeing here are the original product, no cap, no fake. I don't sell fake, guys. So this is the original product. So if you want this, send me a DM. I'll leave my number on the screen. And if you also want to buy it outside, it's fine, no problem, but try your best to get the original one. So this is Dr. Rachel face kit. It's 5 face cream, face cleanser, face soap, eye serum, and vitamin C. This is, if you have this, you don't need any other thing to use on your skin, on your face. You are good to go. Alright, guys, so if you like these videos, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.